Hi guys, welcome to Campers Corner. My name's Yeti, and today I'm going to tell you guys and show you guys how to make your very own story stones. So story stones are super cool, and you can use them as decorations or if you're bored and you want to play a game. So today I'm going to show you how to make them, and then next time Eddie and I are going to show you guys how to use them. So first and foremost, you gotta get some stones. So I went out into the forest and I collected some stones that are thin, they're flat, and they're a bit bigger than a toonie, some of them. You can do them as big or as small as you want. I would try and find the smoothest ones because they're easier to decorate. Yeah, so go find yourself some stones and then we'll get to part two. Alright, now that you have your stones, what you're going to do is make sure they're clean. You don't want to be painting over dirt. If you don't want to use paint, that is cool. You can actually use Sharpies, they work. I don't think the colors will come out as nicely as paint, but the Sharpies you can still draw on if you just want to draw on the black Sharpie. It's the best one. I'm going to use acrylic paint because acrylic paint shows up better. It's not as washable as tempera paint. It's more of like a water paint. Watercolor will probably come off, especially if you do not coat it. I did not coat my rocks. You could do that with like Modge Podge. There's probably some other coats out there. Modge Podge is my go-to. It's like white glue, dries clear. When I was drawing my shapes on my stones, I decided to do some things that you can find around camp. So I did like a heart, a tree, the mountains, a foot for big feet or foot-shaped rocks, and I also did a fish because that's one of our symbols at camp, as well as, what else did I do? A flower, a cat, we got lots of those, and a cactus, some fire, and last but not least, a rainbow, because who doesn't like rainbows? So those are the ones that I did. It's more fun if you do a variety. You can do way more. I only did 10, but 10 was enough, especially if Eddie and I mix our rocks together to do a little bit of storytelling later. Once I painted them, I let them dry a little bit, and then I actually outlined them. I used a Sharpie paint pen. So we have those lying around, so I used one of those, and I outlined all my shapes, and then I flipped them on over, and I actually drew a Y on the back. I drew a Y for Yeti, just so that when Eddie and I decide to use our story stones, that we don't get them mixed up. I don't think we will get them mixed up anyways, but I just wanted to put a Y on them because, so yeah, Sharpie. I used a Sharpie to draw the Y on so you can see how well the black Sharpie works on the rocks. And then I outlined them once again in the Sharpie paint pen because I had it. And I might coat these later on, but not super necessary. And then I had this purple bag. Just laying around, so I decided to put them in there because it would be cute. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have fun making your very own story stones. If you have any questions while you're making them or any comments, feel free to comment below, or even if you want to share your designs and what you guys come up with, you can email us at campers.corner@campkiwanis.ca, and stay tuned for next time, and we'll demonstrate how you guys can play with these. They're super fun. You can do it like long distance as well, so you can virtually storytell with your friends. So have fun, be safe, stay home, and as always, thank you all workers and people who are making the world go round right now. And yeah, look forward to seeing what you guys can create. So have fun. Bye.